My name is Sumit Suvarna, you're watching Designation, and once again, we're going for a road trip. First things first, it's been a while since I put out a video. Multiple reasons for that, mostly my health. And let's not get too much into detail, but I'm getting better, I'm feeling better, I'm feeling great. Touch wood, where's wood? No wood here, but yeah, touch wood, the expression. Anyway, this is kind of special because I'm doing a road trip that is not too far from the city, which I'm not really used to. For me, road trips are all about driving and driving and driving and driving and showing you places as well. But this is kind of special because I'm going to be showing you places around Bangalore that are not too far off from the city. It's a series of videos and this is the first. I don't know what you'll call it. Road trips around Bangalore that you didn't know about. Too long? Yeah, too long. Never mind, but the special thing about, the really good thing about this road trip is that you can do this without digging a hole in your pocket. And I think that's pretty cool. In times like these, especially times like these. Till like 2 days ago, it was just going to be me, Akshay and Namita, 3 of us. But then right now we're going to be 5 people traveling, 5 people road tripping, and I think that's pretty cool. First co-traveler, my friend Akshay. He's an MC2, young guy, just started off MCing a year or 2 ago, and very hardworking, very talented. This is the first time I'm traveling with him, and looking forward to it.
Thanks, Sumit. Thanks, that means a lot.
Alright, so we go and pick up my very good friend, very old friend Namita first, and then a couple of others will be joining us. Yeah, you don't really care about all this, do you? Nobody does, I know. I'm gonna tell you about the place that we'll be going first in just a bit. Oh, we take just kicked in, yo! And then it's gone. So you know, if I put this up on YouTube, that would be Namita's location. If you ever want to kidnap her, just get here. Find her somewhere over here. This is Namita, by the way. Namita, can you get in the frame?
Hello.
Yeah, this is Namita. As I said, a very old friend, but we are doing a road trip. The last time we met was actually when we were going for a road trip. We went to Chitradurga.
Where, bro? Marlwadi.
No, first we're going to Manchanabele. Yes.
Amazing place.
You've been there?
Yeah.
You've been there? You've been there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I went on bike actually with my friends. This is almost like what, 6-7 years.
Okay. This is the first time I'm going there. Anyway, that's
And
Aditya.
you'll be surprised. Sorry? Yeah.
That's Aditya, yeah.
So it's actually, you'll be surprised to know that this place exists, very near to Bangalore.
Yeah, it is.
It's
I know.
hardly 25.
Yeah, I know.
And really different.
That's what I said. The whole road trip is about going to places that are not too far off from the city,
Yeah.
but good enough for you to have a drive, a good fun drive. And these places are not very crowded. And it may happen if my channel takes off and all of you watch this video and start going to these places, and then we'll have all Bangaloreans cursing me like, oh, that that piece of shit, he made that video and everybody started coming to these places. It used to be nice and peaceful, and then that jackass made this video. It went viral. It's like, I'm saying it'll go viral, it'll never go viral. My videos never go viral, man.
If you ever had, if you are carrying drone with you, that would be the best place to shoot.
Yes, if my video goes viral, then I can afford a drone.
Yeah, you can.
Please do it for me, please. Oh yeah, once again, that's Aditya. Aditya and I, we've been friends on Facebook for a very long time, and that's mostly because of shitposting. And shitposting is something that a lot of you probably don't understand, but it's got something to do with political memes and being a bit of a prick sometimes, but all for the greater good. Or at least that's what we believe.
Mostly with the job.
That's there too.
Okay.
One of the many reasons that I'm doing this trip with all these guys is that I kind of want to show you how much we have around Bangalore. The city is all crowded and stuff, but it's only about a few kilometers from the city. We're still in the city and it's already so beautiful. And I think that's mostly due to the fact that it is very close to Western Ghats. if you look around, it's almost like we are in a village, and you see some apartments, and it gives you a feeling that how the fuck do we have apartments like towers over here in a village? But it's because we are still not outside the city limits. Not yet. We will soon be though. The first place that we're gonna check out is Manchanabile Reservoir. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'm pronouncing it the way it's written. So we're going there, and it's a little special because we're supposed to do flag hoisting, and it's with a bunch of cyclists from Bangalore. They're basically IT guys, and they cycle wherever they can. So not special. We didn't plan on doing this for Independence Day. It wasn't planned that way, but because it's happening, I think it's kind of cool. Yeah, we're about 25 to 30 minutes away, 15 kilometers, but the roads are like this. You see this? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, you can't see much. Okay. It does not feel like you're just in the outskirts of the city. It feels like you're far off in some village. That's how beautiful this is. And I think that's...
meters, turn right onto Dodderell Admiral Road.
Alright. Yeah, and that's something really cool about Bangalore.
Oh shit, 200 meters, turn right.
Quick.
Now just enjoy this with the music.
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Take the next right.
So this area called now?
Manchanabile.
Manchanabile, but dam is on that side.
And if you go further ahead, you'll find the first fake viral news spot.
What is that?
It's a big banyan tree.
Okay.
So that was the first during our school days. If we used to follow a lot of newspaper, we used to
Some
find
ghost stories?
Yeah, some ghost stories. There are photoshopped fake-looking ghost on top of the tree. So that was the first ever viral news.
Okay. Some legendary tales over there. We're walking towards the site where we are supposed to hoist the flag. Now, I don't really know how we're going to do that. We've got Sudarshan here. He's a member of Designated Motorheads. One of the first few members, actually. He's been there since the first few weeks, I believe. I don't remember, but yeah, been a long time. A bit of a walk, gasping for breath, kind of hungry, a little thirsty, but it may all be worth it because apparently the view is spectacular.
Yeah, you get a direct view from here to Savandoga.
Okay.
The view will be really amazing.
Talking about Designated Motorheads, if you haven't joined the group yet, you can do it now. We talk about cars, travel, memes related to cars and travel, practically everything under the sky, and we have a lot of fun basically. If you love cars, if you love travel, you should be a part of it. The link is in the description below and also in the pinned comments below. Oh wow.
And be careful, there's lots and lots of beer bottle glasses everywhere.
Right, because people are degenerates. This is the thing here. I read about this on the internet as well, that people have fallen to death from these spots. I don't mean to scare you all, sorry. You can imagine, right? People come here, try to take selfies and just fall off. This is so beautiful. I don't think you've been introduced to Suma as well as yet. She is the 5th traveler on this trip. That's Suma. Cannot believe this is only about less than 40 kilometers from my house. Wow.
This is the view we get from 25 kilometers from my house.
To be very honest, I haven't been to a lot of flag hoisting events, not after school, but this is the first time in my entire life that I am going to be part of a flag hoisting event on a mountain of sorts. Not of sorts, this is actually a mountain. There's the Manchanabile Dam, the reservoir. Unfortunately, we can't get there, which is really sad. Wish we could somehow, just for a little while. That would have been nice, but this isn't too bad either. So there is no big pole and stuff for the hoisting. It's still pretty cool. They got what they could. Hi guys. And these are the bunch of cyclists that I was talking about. They are all IT professionals, including Sudarshan, and they cycle to places, I don't know, just where do you guys go often?
Wherever the road goes.
So the thing is that the flag hosting thing is not literally hosting. We're doing something in a different way, but it's just as special. I forgot the name of the cycle group. I'll call them IT guys with cycles.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam. Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj
Jai! Jai! Jai!
Mataram, Mataram.
Hey, Samandra. How is things? Good, is it?
Very good, very good.
Very good, very good.
As I said, something very different, very special. They call themselves Ullala Cyclists United, and it's apparently inspired from Manchester United or something. Is it? Are you all Manchester United fans? All right, all the haters, hate all these guys on my video. Share it with your Liverpool fans and tell them that these cyclists are terrible people. All right, but yeah, there's something really cool. And it's special because you just look at the view over here. I almost fell down. That would have gotten a lot of views. But wow, never had an Independence Day like this.
Sukhdam Vardam Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Manchanabele was supposed to be the last spot on the itinerary that we were to check out. But thanks to this Independence Day get together, it ended up being the first. And I'm so glad we did it this way. I had never imagined a place so close to my house being this beautiful. It was a sight to behold from every spot in the surrounding. Eventually, we decided to soak it all in and peace out for a while. And there was a clear consensus about the fact that this was the most special Independence Day for all of us. If you want to visit Manchanabele, the best way to do it would be by taking your own vehicle for a spin. But if that's not an option, BMTC has buses running to and from multiple locations in the city to Manchanabele.
Tumi Vidya, Tumi Dharma, Tumi Riti, Tumi Marma.
Tvamahi pranaha
I think we just had the most unique Independence Day experience of our lives.
All of us? Yes. Yes.
Yeah, the view was spectacular, and to think that I didn't come to this place after 11 years in Bangalore makes me feel really stupid now. Should
Shame
have-
on you.
Yeah, shame on me. Shame, ting ting ting, shame, ting ting ting. But yeah, I'm glad we came here. And you know, the plan, this place was supposed to be the last destination. I sent you guys the list. I think I sent you the list first. And this was supposed to be the last one. Yeah, this was supposed to be the last one. And then I spoke to Sudarshan, and he said that they were doing a cycle trip, and they're planning on hoisting the flag and everything. And he said, if you guys want to join in, you can. And I said, you know what? Why not? And I'm glad we did it because it was special. Now, the next place that we're going to is a waterfall.
Mataram, Mataram.